All right, ease back, ease back. A little more to the right. Okay, hold it right there.
The audio is dominated by the loud, continuous hiss and whoosh of high-pressure water spraying from fine nozzles.
In this vertical farm, AI cameras scan every leaf in real time, identifying defects, which are then precisely...
The pressure on line 3 seems low.
It's within tolerance according to the tablet, but I'll check the nozzles.
The spike in the PUE curve correlates with the humidity drop on level 3.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the cooling sequence now.
Look at the cellular structure here near the vascular tissue.
Interesting. The morphology seems slightly altered in this sample.
The southeast quadrant is showing a spike.
Confirmed. Let's rerun the analysis on sample 3.
The rejected lettuce is fed into these massive grinders, beginning the rapid decomposition process that generates significant heat.
Conveyor belts transport the dried organic waste, which is then packed for agricultural reuse, creating these fine clouds of dust. Inside the cooled glass chamber, these servers process the backbone of our digital world, operating at peak capacity.
The sensors undergo rigorous testing, utilizing simulated lettuce to ensure peak performance in agricultural settings.
All right, that's secure.
Careful with this section, the tension is slightly off.
I see it. Let's adjust the alignment before we sign off.
The transient spike was negligible. We have a stable circuit.
Noted. The system is within tolerance.
Watch the alignment on your side.
Okay, keep it coming, it's heavy.
Massive compressors keep cold chain environments stable.
So if we reroute the sorting algorithm here,
Right, it improves the throughput immediately.
Rerouting the Houston shipment through Dallas cuts transit time by 3 hours.
Consider the weather near Fort Worth. A diversion through Austin is safer.
Agreed. Implement the change.
Make sure the dates are facing forward.
Got it. This section is almost done.